So this is one of the new machines. I haven't seen those. It must have been delivered late last night or early this morning. So he's moving himself in position. You see it's like slates on this this side. It's like slates. You can just see them dropping off one by one as he's crunching in. Welcome back to a brand new video. So we're at the courts again. There's a new machine. What's turned up? So I haven't seen this one. Looks like it's crunching all the hardcore up. So we're gonna have a bit of a closer look at this one. But the work is commencing very, very early this morning. And that's the little machine over there. So we're gonna have a bit of a look at that one. So come and join me. So we now reached the top, so we're gonna have a bit of a walk around, and I'll just show you all the different machines, what's going on. So you can see that one. Look at that, huge chunks are being taken off that section. You just see it. You can't really sort of see it with all the dust and the water vapor. So there goes another couple of fully loaded skips right to the brim, and it's one in, one out with the skips. And there he goes on his imagine how much weight he's pulling in that one, that Scania. Absolutely incredible. All the huge chunks are going in. I'd imagine you got a little whip the camera around. You got a little machine there, so I'd imagine he's scooping it in and probably put it into one of the skips. Look at that. There's all sorts of machines going on today, all sorts of action, and there's about six or seven machines in full swing this morning. So just a bit of a different angle for you, and so you can see he's scraping the huge boulders, huge pieces of rubble and concrete, popping it into that like conveyor belt. Crunches it up and it comes out in tiny little pieces. It's just the sound of machines all over this site. So you can just see directly in front of the amount of water what they've been using to keep the dust down. It's like a pond. Look at that one. It's like a pond, you know, with all the amount of water, but I'm sure that'll soon evaporate, you know, on hot days like this. And you see the machine is perched right at the very top. I'd say it's got to be 15 feet in the air, that one. So there's an awful lot of rubble and hardcore coming out of this. So don't forget, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, the notification button. You'll be notified of all the new videos, what is coming up on the channel. And it's not just demolition, we cover all sorts, but we do like to cover things like this, because once it's gone, it is gone. And you see there's a chap, it's just in that little digger with the scoop, and I think he's just waiting for a bit more, and I think he's going to be taking it away. And just behind all of this, you can see the other one carving away at that section of the court, and there's not much left of this now. So again, we just swapped angles You can just see, let's have a bit of a walk down. You can just see all the dust what's coming out of this when he's pouring it in. And it's certainly getting in your eyes. Look at that, the amount of dust. Wow. So let me know in the comments if you've ever seen one of those machines. What's crunching all the concrete up. So there goes the little digger. You can see he's just making his way around. I think he's going to take some of this small rubble. And it's just, like I said, there's sound of the machines all over the place. So there he goes. Is he going to? Is he grabbing? There he is. He's grabbing some of this. Look at this. So I'd imagine he'd be taking. Look at that. He's getting right in there. Where's he taking this lot? What's he going to do with this? So is he making his way right round? What's going on here? What's happening? Oh, he's just dumping it in the middle. That's an odd one. I thought it took it to a skip, or unless you're just repiling it for later on, so the machine doesn't stop working, I'd imagine. All the dust what's coming out. So I think what we'll do in a minute, we'll have a bit of a look around the other side of the court, towards Bonnie Street. I think at the moment he's just clearing a lot of the rubble before it continues with the demolition of that side. So you can see there, it's amazing, like I said, how he's separating all this metal. What a clever machine. He's just piling this in non-stop. This is going to be going all day. And what's this machine over there? Let me know. Let's move the camera around to the left. There's a little machine which is coming into the picture now. See that one? It's got like a huge fan on it. Is that some sort of generator? In fact, it says dust 750 dust fighter. Is that like a dust fighter then? I wonder what that does. Maybe it like sucks all the dust into it. That's an interesting one. Let me know again in the comments what that is, a dust fighter. And you see just behind, he's chipping away at the courts there, and that's all full of rebar. And he's been at that for about 2 or 3 days, that little section. So he doesn't get very far because it's, like I say, it's just full of rebar. So amazing scenes once again on the 21st of May. You see that huge hole he's cut in there. Oh, there he goes. He's pushing all these mites. There he goes. Look at that. So he's had a big slab of that. So let's go around the front, and we'll see what's happening around the front section. So you see he's going for the roof on this one. And, like I said, that's he's been at this for a good couple of days. See all the concrete tumbling down. Look at that, piles and piles of it. As he's getting the claw further in. Extraordinary, amazing machines, making light work of projects like this. So I did have a quick walk around the front where Bonnie's Race, just sort of pan the camera around to the left, and there's not much going on, so we're going to sort of stick with this side. So he's more sort of like cleaning up to the left-hand side, but this one he's going for the remaining bit of this section. Scraping it all out, and see the last bit of graffiti on the side of the wall there, and that's all remains of people's artwork over the years. Call it artwork, call it graffiti. That's all remains of those memories. It makes you wonder, you know, when was that put up? You know, when did they do the artwork? When was it graffitied? You know, was it in the 70s, 80s, 90s? How long's it been there? What are the people up to now? Who put it up? All these questions, little answers. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you did enjoy it, and don't forget, please consider hitting that subscribe button, hit the notification button. You'll be notified of everything what's new on the channel, if it's for your interest, and if it's not, we do all sorts of things. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, look after yourselves and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye bye.